This is Redragon k605 and you can see it's a supersized keyboard. Now I will show you the package and also the backlight. Let's look at the package. As you can see, it's a corner box. At this corner is Redragon logo. From this picture, you can see the keyboard is 61 keys with RGB backlight. This side have some specifications. This is the English name for this keyboard. Also, you know here is a hooker. This keyboard have 4.5 kg, so it's very heavy. If you have this hooker, you can hook it and it's easy for you to take outside. So let's look at the back of the package. From the back of the package, you saw Redragon brand, and this is RGB keyboard picture. From this side, you saw there have 16 languages for you. And this is some specifications for this keyboard. Also from this side, you saw we have CE FCC specifications. This is the code for this one. From the code, we know the mode is k605 and also Redragon website. Okay, so let's open this package and see what we have. When you open the package, we'll saw a keyboard, a very heavy and giant keyboard. And this is Redragon sticker. This is Redragon menu with English letters. The cable and the keyboard are separate. This is cable. Also, you will find these two foam. This is to protect the products. You know, the products is very heavy, so it's very important for these parts to protect the goods. Okay, so this is k605 giant keyboard.